Hi. Well, what can you say? It's the 15th of September. The Fed is going to announce their decision this week. The worse the news, the more likely it seems that the Fed will do nothing. And the news was bad this morning. Inventories up, continuing up. Keep in mind, inventories reflect the difference between what manufacturers make and what they're able to sell. So inventories increasing either means that they've underestimated how much demand there is currently, or they're expecting great demand in the future. I don't think that they're going to see it. I think the consumer is tapped out. I think they've been crushed by Obamacare. I think they've been crushed by local taxes. I think they've been crushed by the daily costs of living, which include rent or mortgage payments or meat or milk or eggs or cheese or car insurance or any of the other myriad of expenses that we all incur and have to pay every day. My thesis is still that the market is in a downtrend. I think we are going to continue to rally. I've been out of the market the last couple of days. It was up 228 points today. Certainly glad I missed that from the short side. Cannot imagine buying here, so I don't worry about any foregone profits from up moves that I'm not on board for. I just don't want to be short during the up move. In any case, we're up 230 on the week. We're back to 16.6, 16.599 to be exact. And the market may very well continue to rally up until the Fed announcement. I expect that the Fed will do nothing, and I expect that the market will rally off that. I'm looking to sell that rally. I certainly am surprised at how resilient the market's been. If you look at a chart, you can see that for the last 12 days, 12 trading days, it's basically been supported at higher and higher levels. It's been making higher lows and almost higher highs. Previous high from the crash recovery was 16,670. We're only 70 or 80 points below that, and I do expect we will take that out. We may even get back to 17,000. When we first crashed, if you look back at my earlier videos, you'll see that I was projecting a rally to 16,750, between 16,750 and 17. I must admit that I have jumped the gun on numerous occasions between now and then, thinking that the market was going to fall. I don't know what to say about a scenario where the worse the news, the higher the market goes. It's hard to feel that any of my experience, training, background has prepared me for black is white world, upside down, topsy-turvy world. If you are a fan of Will Ferrell, there's a quote of his that may sound familiar, which is, has everyone taken crazy pills? And it seems like they have. In any case, the worse news, the better for the market. Although it's ironic because we're now in a situation where the higher the market goes, the more likely it might be that the Fed raises rates. And I wonder if the stock market will start to have that doubt itself. In any case, still flat, still hoping for higher prices to get short at. I would look at this as a tremendous opportunity if you still are holding equities to reevaluate. Keep in mind, I'm not giving advice. This is purely for entertainment and amusement purposes only. But even though the short-term direction might be up, the market has to go up to go down, if that makes sense. It doesn't go in one direction. It has corrections within the primary trend. I think the primary trend is down now, and I think all we're looking at is a correction within that trend. In any case, good luck and take care.